Hello.
Hello. Thanks for having that ready. Y'all great. Just straight ahead when it's safe.
Thank you. Well, hello. It is day 3 and we just got to the park. We woke up pretty early today because last night during our research we kind of realized we can't plan that much. It's more like we have to be flexible because trailheads fill up super duper fast and that's just how it is here. So, oh, hang on. We got our pass coming. Oh. We're gonna take a right at the stop sign. The key to a glacier trip in the summer is flexibility. There was very little planning we could do except to plan a ton of trails that we would be interested in doing. So we have a very long list of trails that are good options for us. A lot of the trails are closed because of bear activity, and then a really popular trail, the Highline Trail, is actually closed because there's still snow. We're going to try to do Avalanche Lake today. We'll see how it goes. Again, it's like if there's parking we'll do it. If not, we'll keep driving on going to the Sun Road and it'll still be beautiful. So flexibility is key and we're gonna go. Wow, so here we are, Avalanche Lake. Maybe one of the best hikes I've ever done. I love this place. No, everyone else says it's a must-do, but I now understand why it's a must-do. And if you haven't been, you should come. Seriously. We were all the way over there. Now we're all the way over here. So this is like the full trail. There is an entrance that pops you out at that end of the lake. Beautiful views. You could turn around there and be very happy. We wanted to just keep hiking. We felt pretty good. And here we are. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, there's deer. Oh, it's a baby. Aww. Okay, so we are heading back. We're gonna try to beat the rain, but we'll give it a shot and we'll see what happens. Oh, that's cold. Unreal.
Guys over here.
Oh.
And they zoomed past, and then we were behind and going,
Oh my
gosh. So we started coming up and taking some photos and saying, hey bear,
Yeah.
and he kind of
just
was
hanging
friendly,
out.
hanging out, and then we got way up to that tree to try to pass him, and he turned around and reared up
Oh,
his
no.
face to us, and I said, no, Marie, I am not passing
No
him.
way. We came down and went to the Cascades and parked right by the Cascades. Although there's a bunch of places you can park for this loop. It's John's Lake Loop. And we went across the bridge and we came out and we've been walking along this road and we were going to John's Lake. And that bear popped up. So we're just gonna turn around and go back. He was very cute though. He's just having his lunch. Very cute bear. Don't want to encounter it any more than we did. And we're gonna head back to the car. And that's gonna be the end of our day. So very exciting day 3 of Montana, day 1 of Glacier, I have to say. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.